Hello and welcome to our video about Quietum Plus, a natural supplement that can help to support and improve hearing health. If you or someone you know is struggling with hearing loss or other hearing-related issues, then this video is for you. Watch this video completely till the end, because in every minute I will share some important points about Quietum Plus. After watching this video, you'll also come to know whether you really need to take Quietum Plus or not. So, guys, what is Quietum Plus? Quietum Plus is a natural supplement that contains a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and natural plant extracts. These ingredients work together to help support healthy hearing by nourishing the cells in the ear and promoting proper blood flow to the auditory system. The ingredients in Quietum Plus are carefully chosen for their ability to support hearing health. For example, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps to protect the cells in the ear from damage, while vitamin E helps to improve circulation and prevent oxidative stress. Magnesium is also important for hearing health, as it helps to regulate the flow of potassium in the body, which is essential for proper hearing function. In addition to these key vitamins and minerals, Quietum Plus also contains natural plant extracts such as hawthorn berry, garlic, and juniper berry. Hawthorn berry has been used for centuries to support cardiovascular health, but it may also have benefits for hearing health by improving blood flow to the ear. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may help to prevent ear infections and other hearing-related conditions. Juniper berry is a natural antioxidant that can help to protect the cells in the ear from oxidative damage. Quietum Plus works by providing the body with the nutrients it needs to support healthy hearing. By nourishing the cells in the ear and promoting proper blood flow to the auditory system, Quietum Plus can help to improve hearing function and reduce the risk of hearing-related conditions. Now most of the peoples have these questions in mind: does Quietum Plus really work? The answer is yes, guys. Quietum Plus have been helping many peoples, and all of them are taking benefits of the supplement. This supplement is 100% natural, which helps to repair inflammation, soothe the nervous system, helps to repair neuron damage, protect against free radicals, helps to sharpen the hearing, balance the blood flow, and many other benefits. So yes, guys, this supplement is really helping a lot of peoples after taking the supplement. You can also see some of their real users' testimonials and feedbacks from the official website of Quietum Plus. And one more thing, guys, do this treatment for at least 3 to 6 months for better results. As I said, it is made from only 100% natural ingredients, so it may take time to see you good results. But don't worry, I had researched a lot about this product before making this video. You will surely get to see the good results in very few days of using Quietum Plus. Quietum Plus manufacturers believe in their product that this will definitely work. That's why they offer full 100% money-back guarantee for the first 60 days from the date of purchase. That means you have full 60 days to decide whether Quietum Plus is good for you or not. In case after purchase you feel this is not for you or not satisfied with any reasons, you can simply contact them, return your bottles, and get your 100% money back. So that's very interesting thing. Anyone can easily test this supplement for the first 60 days with no risk. So that's it for now, friends. I hope you will satisfy with my given information. If you really like the information given by me, then please like this video. Share with whoever looking for information about Quietum Plus. And if you used Quietum Plus, then don't forget to share your experience in the comments box. Do also check out the official link of Quietum Plus from the description box and comments pinned below to know more or buy Quietum Plus. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Have a great rest of the day, friends.